Hey everybody, I am just over the moon. I mentioned a while back that we had been working on something for a very long time with my besties, and it is just now launching, and I am fortunate enough to get to share it with you guys. I cannot tell you how excited that we are about this new product. We have been having this product in the works for a very long time. And okay, are you guys ready? Here it is. Diamond Art Club, my besties. You can now get diamond paintings of my besties. They're going to be releasing 3 of them. So keep an eye out for each one. You want to go to Diamond Art Club right here. And here's a little bit about the information about them. They'll be available Saturday for the Diamond and Ruby pre-release on Monday, and for the general release after that. So check it out. Be sure to hurry and get yours because they're limited. They only do a limited number of each one, so you want to be sure to get each and every one of them. Oh, you guys, wait till you see them. We got them in stock. The samples sent to us. I'm going to post the link for you guys. But when you see them, they're phenomenal. They're just absolutely phenomenal. So run on over there, like their page, see about joining their club, and then on Monday you'll be able to order yours as well. Thanks so much, you guys.